So step number 1, that is using a roller. So this is a roller, and here is a draw AB, that is 8.5 centimeters. So 8.5 here, 8.5 centimeter. All right, so that is A, and this is B, that is 8.5. oh my goodness, very difficult to write. 8.5 centimeter, that is. So what's the next step? We need protractor. So we will keep protractor here, and we need to draw 45 degrees. So where is it? 45. So this is 45. So we'll draw here. This is 45 degree. So this is AB, and here is a CK angle. Next step, what's the next? So BC 6.5 centimeters. So this is 6.5 centimeters. So we just cut it. So this is C. All right. So we got that. So this is C here, this side. That is 6.5 centimeter BC, this side. All right. We need to draw parallelogram. We need to draw parallelogram. So we know that parallelogram opposite angle, opposite side is same. So that is 8.5 centimeter. That means this side also 8.5 centimeter. All right. And if this side BC will be 6.5 centimeters, so here is we'll draw another side, it will be 6.5 centimeters. So we just here this one, so we'll draw here another arc, we'll draw big arc, and we need to measure here 8.5. So this is our 8.5. yeah, so we just cut it. So what is the cross? We just add it. That is our D. All right, this is D. So we just add it. Very simple, very easy. Just do it. Yeah. Enjoy drawing geometry, and only one way you can improve, that is you just keep drawing again and again. Then you can draw perfect. So that is 8.5 centimeter. That is also DC, that is 8.5 centimeter. BC 6.5 centimeter, that means AD, this is also 6.5 centimeter. Now we need to find out, we need to measure, that is AC. So this is roller can help us. Yes. So this is 6 centimeter, almost 6 centimeter. Yes, this is 6 centimeter. So we just draw a line, that is AC, that is 6.0, we can write centimeter. This is our answer, guys. This is our answer. Yeah, we got that. So here's another problem, that is construct a parallelogram ABCD such that AB equal to 8.5 centimeter, BC 5.5 centimeter, and ABC angle, that is 120 degree. So measure and write down the length of the diagonal AC. So how will do it? So let's go through. First we need a roller. So roller, first we will use a roller and draw AB, that is 8.5 centimeter. So this is 8.5 centimeter. All right. So that is AB. So we will write here A, and here is a B. AB, that is 8.5 centimeter. Then we need to, next one, we need protractor. We need to draw, that is ABC. Well, that is 120 degrees. So what is our 120 degree? So that is 120 degree here. All right. So just do it. Just enjoy drawing. Geometry, only one way you can enjoy, that is drawing. All right, next we will write here the name. First we need to cut. So what's the measure? That is BC. We know that BC, that is 5.5 centimeters. So we need ruler again, that is 5.5 centimeter. So that is our 5.5 centimeter. We try my best. Yeah, that is. So now it's perfect. So that is this side C and it will be K. All right, now what's the next? So you know this is parallelogram. So parallelogram, that is opposite angle. This is always the opposite angle, opposite side will be same. All right, this is this angle BC, it will be 5.5 centimeter. So this side will be same. It will be AD, it will be 5.5 centimeter. AB 8.5 centimeter. That means DC, it will be 8.5 centimeter. So we just measure it. So this is, so we just draw an arc here. So A will be center line, draw a radial, here is the arc, one arc, and 8.5 centimeter. Again we measure it. Yes, now you just draw another arc here. Oh, it's very far. We need to draw another. You need to measure again, do it again and again, and enjoy drawing. Yes, now we'll see. This is not perfect. Yes, now we'll just add it. So whatever it is, just do it. Now we have parallelogram, we got that. But here it just, this line we just added, that is AD and DC. All right, this is 8.5 centimeters, so this is obviously 8.5 centimeter. This is BC 5.5 centimeter, so AD definitely 5.5 centimeter, right? So what you need to figure out, measure and write down, that is the length of diagonal AC. So this one we need to figure out, this side. So AC, so ruler can help us. Yes, that is 12.4 centimeter. So guys, that is AC, that is 12.4 centimeter. This is the length of diagonal AC. So that is our final answer. So that's all. Thank you very much.